Hello and welcome. I'm doing a little bit of day trading here, and let's take a look at some here. VTC, it's been around for a while, and I think I want to buy down here just for a quick little scalp. This is 6,000. It's already at 64, so I can get a good 5% scalp if I buy at 6. Sell at 64. It coincides with yesterday's low. Uh, Probability is probably close to 75-80%. Look at market order book. Easy buy spot. As I can see price action in at, let's do 65 here. I'm looking for, again, around 6,000. And here's the around 6,000. 6088 is a high number. So you either go 89, or if you try to go low 6,000, you can go over this one here. That's 5,000 bid. These bids are pretty big. So therefore 6089 is where I'm going to bid. And put a couple bucks on it. GBG currently in at 3401. Mathematically, I guess the next support level 3282 or 3202. First check 4284, which was beautiful support. So if that's the case, I like to expect the same thing within a 32 number. These things usually pierce, but I don't want to go too aggressive on a pierce. Let's check out market orders. $32.01. See, this is why you go $32.01. Look at this order here. 100 basis points below 33, which is 100 below that. And then this one just popped in. EXCL has an interesting weekly, but nothing I want to do right now to get in. But you know what? Maybe down here might be a good entry spot at around 27 to 33. But as far as day trading, let's take a look at this. We can see this range from here to here, which gives these numbers 55 and change, 47. This is 55 and change here. 47 is here. 55 didn't work too well. So I would rather do a pierce, maybe towards the lower end of this range, roughly around 4,000. Some big numbers here. So I'm going to go 4113. GRS is at 1031. This calculating fib from here to here is in at 1035. And we can see that it's been testing it 3 times. Checking out the bigger bids on the next side. 1033. This might come in immediately. AGRS from this low to this high. Fibonacci coming in at 11,431, which means it has just made a nice new low within the 30-minute time frame. When you look at the lower end of this range being around 11.3, moving up to like 13.5, that's very day tradable. So let's try to get in. Try to find the best order right off the bat. And if you want in fast, let's try to do it. 10.0502. And the other order that I thought would come in quickly, it hasn't placed. In fact, during this entire time, nothing has bought or sold. I do like this site because it gives you a flash telling you you've just bought or sold whatever it is that you did. TX is the weekly chart. Nice little pattern. If you move this onto the daily chart, you will see this sideways consolidation. So I just like the fact that it's a little bullish, but what I like about the short term is there's this lower range here, roughly at around 50 and change, moving up over 60. And that's pretty cool, actually. So therefore, we can see on the lower end here that you can go 52.01, or you can try to take a chance to get a better price. And I'm going to go 51.02. BTA, this is the daily chart, but scrolling back, and actually we just got a buy filled, so I'm going to talk about this in a little bit, but let's go over this buy. This is from AGRS. I don't know if I broadcasted this one with you or not earlier. We'll find out. I just bought this. I did, because I put the order in at 446, closed at 452. Units filled 23. Okay, so let's see why I bought this. And that's probably to sell it up here. I could go the safe route, go like a lower high. It's guaranteed to sell. It's probably what I'm going to do, somewhere around 13.2. That looks what I'm going to do. Let's find the 13.2 area. We've got a big number, 13.289, 13.288, 13.287, 13.286. So I'll jump the line to 13.285. And back to this one that I was looking at. Did I just get an order? Buy order filled. That's right. What came out? Something. And technically I tried to sell there. Let me see if I did. Now it did say I sold some and I'll get to that in a little bit, but within this chart here, BTA, nice looking setup. Move this on to the 30-minute time frame. Look at what I see, this pattern here. And It's making a matching low, so I could hit this low, or I could try to come down towards 45.90 with a sell target around 55. That's a decent gain. Anything good at 45? You know, I might even go lower than that. 4,000's got... Let's go above this one here. So Uno, I apparently sold something. So let's see what was sold. I must have... Did I sell or buy? That looks like a buy to me. Yeah, limit buy. At 42.30. 42.30 buy. And I can sell right now. What a buy. What a buy. That is just sweet. Now do I want to sell here? Or do I want to... Probably want to go more towards this range, like 54 even. Let's just see some good sell order spots. I mean, it's right here. Let's go 5, 3, 2, 1. Or 5, 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. That is being sold. So this is an example of different strategies in which I like to use to try to win at this game. And I hope this was entertaining, educational, and this is a form of gambling. Playing these cryptocurrencies online, you can play for very low stakes or very high stakes. And I enjoyed that feature for if you want to learn how to play, you cannot afford too much, you can still come in. And look at myself, I'm making what I call $2 and $3 bets all day. Because I can do so, and I only have a little under 1 Bitcoin to play with. And this is just getting as many of these small speculation trades as I can come up with. Nothing on PivX, but that's the site, that's the chart where I got like 40 sell orders and like 30 buy orders or something like that, because I'm playing that one more aggressively. These ones I come in today, I'm just looking at one quick trade in and out. And that's the simple part of the strategy. So thank you for tuning in, and take care.